Unpackage the individual components and familiarize yourself with all the parts. Read the instructions carefully. Measurements for the upper and lower mounting supports are provided for those who want to measure and lay out, but the unit will install quickly without measuring. Place a shelf upside down inside the cabinet to determine organizer positioning. Make sure you have equal distance on all sides from the edges of the cabinet to the shelf, and that the shelf clears the door and any hinges. Mark the mounting location by tracing around the inside of the hole in the middle of the shelf. Place one shelf support on the circle you have drawn, aligning the set screw from corner to corner of the cabinet. Secure with 4 number 8 by 3/4 inch flathead wood screws that are provided. Press one shelf hub into the bottom of the shelf using alignment grooves in the hub. Repeat with the second shelf. From the top of the pole, slide on one shelf assembly, the other shelf support, and then the second shelf assembly. Carefully work the organizer into the cabinet opening. Place the bottom of the pole into the lower mounting support. Place the upper mounting support on the top of the pole. Grasping the outer pole with one hand, turn the inner pole counterclockwise with the other hand. Once the twist lock is free, extend the pole up until the upper mounting bracket is tight against the upper cabinet surface. Turn inner pole clockwise to tighten the twist lock. Mount upper mounting support with the 4 number 8 by 5/8 inch pan head wood screws that are provided. Determine upper shelf height, and holding the shelf support with one hand, tighten the set screw in the support. Next, make sure to align the upper shelf kidney cutout in the correct position. This places the pole in correct alignment. Lift lower shelf and tighten set screw in the lower mounting support. Operate the unit to check alignment. Untighten and reposition shelf as necessary.